Hi, welcome to another video tutorial of me trying out this app called VRM Automatic Photographing. It's kind of like instead of like customizing your own type of poses, this is like there's already a built-in poses for you to use. If you don't have like time to like make your own. So for the people who has no time to make their own poses, you guys can use this. It's basically free. So let's try it out. So as you can see, this is the website. I will link it down in the description as always. And what we're gonna do now is download this. And once it's done downloading, as usual, we're gonna like extract it. Here we go. What we're gonna do now is put it on compressed and then extract the file, extract here, or make your own folder so it won't be messy. Since it's an installer, we gotta install it. Okay, here we go. Like always, I can trust this. Run anyway. Click yes. There we go. English, of course. And depending on where you want it to save, I will just save it on C. Then create a desktop. There you go. And then launch it. Made with Unity, by the way. So here we go. We got our application. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but here it is. You can use your make sure to click English. You can use your like VRM if you want to. I always have my VRM. This time I will use my one with the trench coat. There we go. See that? Beautiful. Okay, as you can see, it's already doing the poses. This poses came from Unity Chan AR pose. There's also the facial one if you want to make his expression as well. Like, look at that. Angry, fun. You can also customize it. Kind of like the same as the doll one. Sorrow. If you click it, advanced if you want to, default, surprised. Sorrow. We're gonna change. Maybe fun. Yeah, fun is fine. And here we go. These are like the other poses that we got. Some poses can be recognizable from other medias. We can also do standard ones if you want to like do like the character sheet if you want to. Pretty nice and easy to use. Also the hero poses if you want to use that. And there's more to this. Oh, the Spider-Man. There's more here that you can use. But yeah, it's totally free if you want to. And what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna like take a oh yeah, this is like if you want the eyes to look at the camera. If you don't want, it's fine. So let's do it. Take a photo. It's gonna be on the folder, and here you go. Let's see how it looks like. For this one, we can't customize our background, but it is transparent though. You can just edit it somewhere, and also it has a good quality as well. A very 4K, might say. Look at that. Look at this handsome devil. Okay. Well, as you can see, it's very easy to use. You don't have any problem using this if you want to make your own thumbnail and stuff like that. There's a lot of cute poses that you can try out. Like, look at that. They made this character look so flamboyant. Yes, I am flamboyant now. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also don't forget to recommend me like some other applications that you kind of like find helpful if you're like a VTuber and stuff like that. And I will make a tutorial about it. see if I like it or not. But yeah, thank you very much for coming. So see you again on the next tutorial. So bye bye.